Let's learn the simple words in Igbo language. How do we say table in Igbo language? Table. We simply say okpokoro. Okpokoro. That's how we say table in Igbo language. The next one is window. How do we say window in Igbo language? We simply say ohere ikuku or ohere ikuku. Ohere ikuku. Window. Ohere ikuku. Next one is biscuit. How do we say biscuit in Igbo language? You simply say achichukpo. Achichukpo. Biscuit. Achichukpo. Biscuit. Next one is truck. How do you say truck in Igbo language? Gwongworo. Gwongworo. That's how we say truck in Igbo language. Last but not the least, space. How do we say space in Igbo language? You simply say mbara. Mbara. That's space. Give me space. Nye mu mbara.